Hi, my name is Allison Dagan, and today I will be showing you how to use Quizlet. To save time, I've already logged in, but you can create a free account very easily through Facebook or even Gmail. Quizlet is a program where you can make your own flashcards, like I did here, or you can also search for flashcards like I did here and find flashcards that are already made for you. So you can see some options here, as well as I didn't use pictures for mine. I think they're a little juvenile for adult learners, but this option did show pictures, so I wanted to show you that. Let's click on mine to see what we can do with our flashcards. So the way I added flashcards was edit, and I typed in the term, so I would put in ACT, and then I would then use my definition over here. A lot of times it will auto-generate a definition, and you just want to be careful of that because, just for example, the ACT option, the definitions often come up as ACT, not ACT, the test. So you just want to be careful and cognizant of that. But let's go back to the set that's already made and see our options. So up at the top, you will see flashcard, learn, write, spell, test, match, and gravity. The ones that I will be showing you today are flashcard, learn, test, match, and gravity. Write and spell I didn't think were necessary for this, and for time's sake I did cut them out. So flashcards are really nice because you can go through, you can flip them back and forth. At the bottom of this you can see the terms in this set and how many times you can see I've taken the tests, how many times I've missed them or done well on them, and which ones I need to revisit or restudy. Learn is a great one because Learn will show you your questions, so a standard college admissions test, main sections, option, so I did ACT and that was correct, and then I would type my answer and so on and so forth. It does track how many times that you've done them correctly or incorrectly. Test is very similar, but it does actually have a full written test. Now, since I was able to make a class for this account, I am able actually to track those tests as well if students are to send them to me. But let's go back. The last thing I want to show you is Match, which is a matching game. You can see very interactive but not juvenile. And then also Gravity, which is another more, I guess, a more fun game, but still not in a juvenile way. You do need to type the answer before the asteroid hits the ground. So this is my instructions on how to use Quizlet. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much.